Deputy National Police Commissioner for Crime Detection, Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya, has come out strongly against KwaZulu-Natal Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi, dismissing his recent public accusations as baseless and damaging. During a fiery press briefing on Sunday, Mkhwanazi alleged that Sibiya, acting under instruction from Police Minister Senzo Mchunu, had improperly shut down a specialized police task team investigating politically motivated matters in the province. The commissioner accused Sibiya of criminal conduct and claimed that the crucial case dockets were abruptly archived in Pretoria just the unit was closing in on a powerful criminal syndicate involving senior police officers, prosecutors, and members of parliament. But Sibiya, speaking exclusively to SABC News, hit back with forceful denial and said he must stop behaving like a criminal and act like a disciplined member of the police. Tell him to stop threatening people and talking about violence. He's not a warlord, he's a police officer. Sibiya said he was blindsided by Mkhwanazi's public outburst, especially since their last interaction just days before had been cordial, and said, "I'm shocked and disappointed. The last time I spoke to General Mkhwanazi was on Friday and everything was fine. There was no indication that he was unhappy or planning to go public." Mkhwanazi, however, had told reporters that he was combat ready and unafraid, even stating he was willing to die for the people of South Africa. He also claimed that 121 sensitive case files, including dockets related to political assassinations, were taken from the task team in March and later shelved at SAPS headquarters in Pretoria. In response, Sibiya denied ever interfering with the investigations or colluding with the minister, and said the issue of political killings has nothing to do with me. I never met with the minister to discuss disbanding that team, nor did I issue any directive to stop its work. Sibiya further suggested that Mkhwanazi's anger may be linked to the arrest of Crime Intelligence Head Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, who was among 7 senior officers detained in connection with an alleged fraud scheme involving the misuse of SAPS funds to acquire property, and said General Mkhwanazi must provide evidence if he has it. He doesn't need to bring it to me. He can show it to the public or lay criminal charges. If I've committed a crime, he should arrest me. Refusing to be drawn further into a public spat, Sibiya stated that he will address the matter formally through legal and internal organizational channels. As the feud between the two of the country's most senior police officers intensifies, it underscores the growing tension within South Africa's security structures, particularly in KwaZulu-Natal, where political violence has long plagued communities. The nation now watches closely as the high-stakes battle within SAPS continues to unfold, one that could have far-reaching implications for trust in law enforcement and the fight against political violence. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.